Back to the old debate in regards to cell phones and electromagnetic radiation. And now an old research article from February 2004 published in the International Journal of Clinical Chemistry and basically buried, good luck trying to Google it or search it. It was titled, Ginkgo biloba prevents mobile phone induced oxidative stress. Oxidative stress obviously caused by electromagnetic radiation. Now the researchers knew that cell phones create, oxidative stress on the brain. So knowing that, they tried to find ways, or therapies that can treat that electromagnetic radiation damage. And they came across Ginkgo biloba. And this is what the researchers did. Now back then, there wasn't much politics in trying to figure out whether cell phones cause cancer or not. Research was research. They took two groups of mice. One a control group, which they gave no Ginkgo biloba treatment, and the other one, obviously, they did. They took these rats and exposed them to only 1 hour of 900 megahertz of cell phone electromagnetic radiation per day for 7 days straight. Now, many of us these days are on the cell phone for far more than an hour. After 1 hour for 7 days straight, this is what happens in the brains of the rats exposed to electromagnetic radiation from the cell phones. They had elevated levels of malondialdehyde, elevated levels of nitric oxide, depleted levels or reduced levels of superoxidase dismutase, reduced levels of glutathione peroxidase, elevated levels in response to oxidative stress of xanthine oxidase, and elevated levels of adenosine deaminase, all result of oxidative stress caused by electromagnetic radiation from the cell phones. In the Ginkgo biloba group, now this is interesting. Same thing, 7 days exposure, 1 hour of electromagnetic radiation, 900 megahertz per day. This is their quote. Alterations prevented by Ginkgo biloba treatment. In addition, it prevented induced cellular injury in the brain through histopathologically. Good to pronounce that. However though, so basically, Ginkgo prevented all this from happening. And basically, no Ginkgo, this occurred. So if you were like I, and are on your cell phone for more than 1 hour per day, then it may not be a bad idea to look at adding Ginkgo biloba to your daily regime of supplements. It's got a lot of health benefits, even outside of protecting against electromagnetic radiation, but it's just kind of cool to know it does. Well, thank you once again.